What fish are caught by bottom trawling? Have you ever wondered what types of fish are caught by bottom trawling in the polar regions? This fishing method targets a variety of groundfish species that thrive near the seabed. In these cold waters, you will find commercially important fish such as Arctic cod, Greenland halibut, and Pacific cod. Walleye pollock and several species of flatfish, like flounders and soles, are also commonly caught. Additionally, various sculpins, including butterfly sculpin and big-eye sculpin, as well as snailfish and eelpouts, are part of the catch. These fish have adapted to the cold, deep waters typical of Arctic and subarctic continental shelves and slopes. As sea ice retreats, bottom trawling is expanding in areas like the Barents Sea and Bering Sea, allowing access to previously ice-covered regions. This expansion targets rich fish communities that inhabit these cold environments. For instance, the Barents Sea is a significant source of Atlantic cod, contributing a large portion of the global supply. Other species like northern rock sole also make up the catch in these areas. Bottom trawling involves dragging heavy nets along the seafloor, which disturbs the habitats where these fish live. The fish caught tend to be those that stay close to or on the seabed. This method is particularly effective for species that inhabit continental shelf areas, where the seafloor is relatively shallow compared to the deep ocean. However, the growth of bottom trawling raises concerns about the fragile ecosystems in polar regions. Many of the fish species caught are vital to the Arctic marine food web, supporting both commercial fisheries and the subsistence fishing practices of indigenous communities. The expansion of bottom trawling into new Arctic areas poses risks to coldwater coral reefs and other benthic habitats that serve as important nursery and feeding grounds for these fish. In summary, the fish caught by bottom trawling in polar regions include coldwater groundfish species such as Arctic cod, Greenland halibut, Pacific cod, walleye pollock, various flatfish, sculpins, snailfish, and eelpouts. These species are found on continental shelves and slopes, making them vulnerable to the impacts of this fishing method. Understanding these dynamics is essential for protecting the delicate marine ecosystems in the polar regions.